चौथी आंतरराष्ट्रीय योग परिषद सोमारा पणजे कला अकादमीत सुरू झाली। उक्तावणाच्या कार्यावळीक आर्ट ऑफ लिव्हिंगाचो संस्थापक श्री श्री रवी शंकर आणि आयुष मंत्री श्रीपाद नाईक आशिल्लो।
You know, the way people greet in Bali is Om Swastirastu. And here in India, in beginning of any function, any puja, anything, it's called Swasti Vachana. I am so glad that the government of India under the leadership of our Prime Minister and Mr. Shripad Naik ji has taken up this initiative of combining Ayurveda and Yoga, both. Ayush Ministry.
The USA military training has adopted the yoga in its training curriculum. Many other countries like UK, European countries, Southeastern countries are practicing yoga. Several modern medical institutes have adopted the yoga as an alternative or adjuvant treatment for many of these disorders. In India also, the system of yoga is gradually gaining the popularity as a best mode of alternative therapy to the modern medical system.
मुखेल सोयरो उद्योग मंत्री सुरेश प्रभू काय कारणांक लागून परिषदेच्या उक्तावणाक पावलो ना, ताणे व्हिडिओ कॉन्फरन्सिंगाचेर परिषदेक संदेश दिलो।
Governments are burdened with a huge responsibility of providing public health, and some governments are becoming bankrupt globally because they are not able to provide the quality of healthcare from social security measures. So we have a challenge. How do you manage the both? Provide good healthcare to all without burdening either the individual household or the governments for the attendant cost, at the same time make them live happily and contented. That should be the ultimate objective. To do that, we have a great answer discovered by the sages, by the great thinkers, by those who are great accomplished people, and that answer lies in yoga. If you do yoga regularly, it will prevent diseases, it will make your life better with almost no cost.
50 देशातले हजारभर प्रतिनिधी हे परिषदेक वाटेकार झाल्यात। संमेलन मंगळार मेरेन चलतले। प्रुडेंटा खातीर तुळशीदास च्यारी।